There's nothing quite like biting into a juicy watermelon on a hot summer's day. The sweet, refreshing flesh is nature's perfect thirst quencher. Growing your own watermelons is a rewarding experience. It's simple to do even if you have a small garden. You get to enjoy the fruits of your labor. Watermelons come in many shapes and sizes. Some are round and some are oblong. There are even varieties with yellow or orange flesh. No matter what type you choose, you're sure to enjoy the delicious taste of homegrown watermelon. So why not give it a go? Follow these simple tips and you'll be well on your way to harvesting a bumper crop of delicious watermelons. You'll be surprised at how easy it is. Plus, you'll have the satisfaction of knowing that you grew them yourself. Watermelons thrive in warm soil and plenty of sunshine. Choose a sunny spot in your garden that gets at least 6 hours of direct sunlight a day. Watermelons prefer well-drained soil. Add some compost or well-rotted manure to improve drainage and fertility. Watermelons are tender annuals. This means they need to be planted after the last frost. Sow seeds directly into the ground after the soil has warmed to around 70 degrees Fahrenheit or 21 degrees Celsius. Plant seeds about an inch deep and 2 to 3 feet apart. Watermelons need plenty of space to grow. Watermelons need regular watering, especially during dry spells. Give them a good soaking once or twice a week. Water at the base of the plant, avoiding the leaves. Keep the soil moist but not waterlogged. Watermelons are hungry feeders. Feed them with a balanced fertilizer every few weeks. Pinch off any side shoots that appear. This will encourage the plant to put all its energy into producing one large, juicy watermelon. Keep an eye out for pests and diseases. Aphids, cucumber beetles, and powdery mildew can all be problems for watermelons. Use insecticidal soap or neem oil to control pests. Avoid powdery mildew by providing good air circulation and avoiding overhead watering. Watermelons are ripe and ready to harvest about 3 to 4 months after planting. There are a few telltale signs that a watermelon is ripe. The tendril closest to the fruit will turn brown and dry out. The watermelon will sound hollow when you thump it with your knuckle. To harvest a watermelon, cut it from the vine with a sharp knife. Leave a few inches of stem attached to the fruit. Store watermelons in a cool, dry place. They will keep for several weeks if stored properly. Enjoy your sweet reward. Nothing beats the taste of a homegrown watermelon.